I will share with you a live session replay with a client of mine that I just did, where I show her how to write a few people down and get them on quick calls so she can speak with them and sign them into her $97 per month membership program. In the past few sessions, I already started working with her and we created her membership offer, opened the Skool platform, so she's now ready to accept the first few members. In this session, we discuss how to approach talking to people and why it's important to master the idea of talking to people, to sharpen your edges, to really start learning from your audience, from people who you are talking to. And when you sign them then into your membership program, they start paying you, they become your clients. You learned then this skill of talking to a person from scratch, guiding them toward them becoming your member, and you are becoming a better salesperson, a better coach. And not just that, you now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 people paying you for your membership subscription, your program, and you can then grow further from there. Enjoy. Because you have those 2, 3 people, right? That you can talk to further, right?
Yes.
Right. I'll show you right now. You're gonna need to write those people down first of all, okay? So we're gonna go to here and you can watch this overview of how to sign the first few people, okay? So you know.
I think I watched that one. Yeah. It's been a couple before the move, but
sure. If you watched it, make it green here, all right? So we know that that's done. So next time we are like, okay, cool, done. Just so you know, this one you're gonna watch now soon, if you have not yet. Make a list of people to talk to. The point is that I need you to just understand who you can write down right now, actually, as well. Besides of those 2 or 3 very warm people who you already brought up before, I need you to understand who else you can write down right now. This is quite an important exercise. I'm going to tell you here who else you can write down, because if we write 20 or 30 people down, or even less, doesn't matter, we have now a few people to talk to. So you're going to want to watch this video, okay? This is related to where you're going to write them down to, because I'm giving you here a place to write them down to, okay?
Oh, I do. I did it on a paper, in a notepad. And you want me to do it here?
Yeah, if you already wrote them down on a paper or into an Excel document, that's good, but we need to transfer them those people into our software, okay? You will see why that's important for the future growth. And you see you have total 300 records already, okay?
Yeah, that's from my email list. And
right. One of the tasks that in the Premium Life Mastermind classroom I am going to show you to do is, this is related to this CRM software of how to write people down, and it's here, and it's adding contacts and tagging them, right? So you're going to watch this video. This shows you how to add more people to this software if you don't have them yet in the software. Because besides of these 300, right, and those 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that are on top of your mind, and so you want to make sure that they are all in the software, right? And you want to get those into the opportunities of who you chosen that you're going to reach out to.
Okay.
So out of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out of these 300, I need you, to be honest, to go through this list of, let's say, 300 or so, and you're going to need to hand select a few of them manually to who you're gonna later reach out to. If you don't, if you know them already a little bit good, if no, then
the new people, I don't think they're there, because they were just added like the last couple.
As part of this exercise here, make a list of people to talk to. Go even through this list of, let's say, 300, or and think about, who do you know this person? Do you know this person? Oh, actually, I know this person. I chatted with this person on Facebook already before. You know what? Let me maybe select these 2 people, and I'm gonna put them under opportunities. So that's part of the second video lesson here of these lessons, how to get someone onto the opportunities page. And the task will show you that you want to tag each and every one who you chose, a tag outreach. You can multiply tag if you select 2 of them by adding now a tag. I'm teaching you what that video shows you later. You want to watch that on your own, because it's going to make a little more sense to you rather than me going through the full lesson right now. But there is a tag called outreach. Each of those individual person or even multiple who you want to reach out to, you just tag them outreach. I'm multiple tagging now, those 2 at the same time, right? But you can later. So I opened opportunities then, and here is something called membership sales pipeline, and you see how those 2 people who we tagged outreach appeared here. right? In fact, I'll try to add Primoz manually if it's gonna load, so you will understand the idea. Because now that contact is actually in the contacts, but because we can either tag them outreach or we can create them like as a new opportunity here manually, and we put them into that stage. I need to ask and invite for a call or so, right? That's the first stage of the pipeline. Now it's gonna appear here on the left. You see now it appeared here, all right?
Okay.
Why are we doing this is because I need you to stack all of these people who are on top of your mind that you could reach out to and talk to right now. You wanna stack them here down below, all right? You saw two ways of how to put someone here. Either tag them outreach in the contact section, right? Because then it automatically creates them here. Or you can just add an opportunity here and, I connected that Primoz contact here. So my point is you want to learn first how to add people here.
Okay.
Because this is going to help me and you make sales, having people here. Because then we know, all right, we are talking to these 20 people. You see, and then you're going to ask Primoz certain way via DMs, via email, hey, are you open to talking, right? And I'll explain you what
drag them.
Yeah, and drag them forward after you asked them. But I'm gonna show you the script of what to say to this person in the DMs. So because you want then this person will say, yeah, all right, I'm kind of interested. Let's kind of talk or whatever. You're gonna invite them for a call, and this is how far you need to get people to. So you schedule a call, all right?
Okay.
So you see those two people. Could you give me an example of who is that first hot person? And you can now create a new opportunity on top right. Yeah, there to the top right. Yeah, just add opportunity. And you search here for Maria now because she was created. So look at her, yeah. And just scroll down nicely, and even a little more. There is tags. You can still tag her either outreach or anything else. You can even, so now you can create her. It's going to be created there. See, she's now on the left.
Here now.
And in which stage is she? Is she with you? Did you already talk to her?
Yeah, I talked to her and we did a guided meditation to help with healing and clearing the mind. And then I was to invite her back for the 3:30-minute session. And also I told her that about the school. She was interested. And then I told her that I will reach out to her when the school is open.
Good. So then you need to, in fact, put her under just asked, to be honest, because you asked her last time. She said, yeah, tell me more.
Yes.
So you see now.
Yes.
Now the next step will be that you get her invited for a call, all right? And do this now again for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. You see one of the tasks options here will be check any of your existing lists. Like those people of 300 from the Facebook group. Guess what? Maybe some of them are warmer. Think about them, go through the list, tag them outreach. The rest we will deal in the second stage. First, pick up the cherries. Whoever is kind of, who they are, they're a little warmer, you maybe already talked with them about anything in the past, tag those outreach. That's the lesson, all right? This is important because then we can move to the next task here. You're going to receive an idea of the script of what to say to these people, right? In fact, I'll give you this script right now, and I'm just going to use these 5 minutes right now that we have here to give you all of these things, because then later you have everything ready to just work through, all right? So you see now we are making a copy of that document. Don't worry, this is just a one-off task that we need to get this script. And I will link this script of yours now into into the premium live, to be honest, because it's more like sales related, all right? This is now the script. Why do we want to have a script? Just so we learn the agenda and we learn the principles of what would be next with that certain person. Yes, often we can create some kind of mini templates and we can just copy and paste to those 20, 30 people or whatever and adjust them at the beginning a little bit so we can do this task faster. But this is for practice and to learn the principles. Later you can watch these videos up here for where I explain what that agenda of the script is. And then
I will do that.
Yeah, it's going to be much easier for you peacefully to listen and understand rather than me hurrying right now too much, right? 2 things the script will show you. How to reach out to people via chat or DMs or email, right? That's this next lesson, and how to book a call with them then. And then it's going to teach you how you should then speak with that person on a call. Because we will practice how to reach out to people or how to talk to people. And I created many lessons on this idea already before. Why do we really, it's not here, but why do we really need to master talking to people? Because that's how we become a great coach. If we can guide one person at a time through talk, communication toward the end goal. Right? And if we can make a sale through our talk, then probably we can also coach them later on. Hey, do this thing next. It's the same thing. That's another lesson. So this is for later, all right? Those few lessons. I'm not going to go into those right now. But the idea is, hey, can you write those few people down right now so we have a few people to talk to, all right?
Okay, I will. And then I guess I'll join you again in the call next Tuesday.
Yeah, till then, try to add quite a few contacts in there and watch those videos to learn, right, what we're gonna say to them next and stuff like that, all right?